Hello. Welcome to my English podcast. This is a very easy English podcast for beginners. Today we talk about a film. The film is called Mrs. Doubtfire. It is a comedy from the United States. The film is from 1993. Mrs. Doubtfire is a family comedy. The story is about a father and his children. The father loves his children very much. But he has a big problem. He cannot see them every day. The main character is Daniel Hillard. He is a voice actor. He can make many funny voices. He lives with his wife and 3 children. His wife is Miranda. Daniel is very funny, but not very responsible. He makes many jokes. He organizes a big party for his son. But his wife is not happy. She says, "This is too much." Miranda wants a divorce. She does not want to live with Daniel. The court says Daniel can see the children only on Saturdays. Daniel is very sad. He wants to be with his children more. One day, he has an idea. He hears that Miranda needs a housekeeper. He asks his brother for help. His brother is a makeup artist. They make a new face for Daniel. They use a wig, makeup, and special clothes. Daniel becomes an old British woman. Her name is Mrs. Euphigenia Doubtfire. Daniel goes to Miranda's house. She does not know that Mrs. Doubtfire is Daniel. She hires her. Now Daniel works in his own home. He cooks, cleans, and helps the children. He is a very good housekeeper. The children love Mrs. Doubtfire. Miranda likes her too. But Daniel has 2 lives. In the day, he is Mrs. Doubtfire. In the evening, he is Daniel. It is very difficult. He makes many funny mistakes. One day, his secret is open. Miranda is angry and sad. She says, "You lied to me." In the end, Daniel says sorry. He wants to be a good father. Miranda understands him. Daniel can spend more time with the children. He becomes a better parent. I like this film because it is very funny and warm. Robin Williams is a great actor. The story is about love, family, and responsibility. It is sad sometimes, but mostly happy. Today we learned some words. Father, children, housekeeper, wig, divorce, makeup, secret, parent. Thank you for listening to my English podcast. Bye. See you next time.